The Toyota Highlander has long stood as one of the most trusted and recognizable midsize SUVs on American road. Known for its reliability, comfort, and family-friendly practicality, the Highlander has built its reputation as a safe, smart, and dependable choice. But for 2026, Toyota appears ready to push this familiar favorite into a noticeably more refined and modern direction. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota Highlander immediately signals change. The front design adopts a stronger, more muscular presence, moving slightly away from the softer curves of previous generations. Toyota seems to be embracing a bolder and more squared-off design language, inspired by its newer SUVs and trucks. The grille is larger and more upright, finished in gloss black, giving the Highlander a confident, planted stand. The Toyota emblem sits proudly at the center, reinforcing brand identity while adding a premium visual touch. Slimmer LED headlights stretch sharply across the fascia, creating a cleaner and more sophisticated lighting signature. These updated lights not only improve nighttime visibility, but also enhance the vehicle's perceived width. Subtle sculpting along the hood and bumper adds depth and character, giving the Highlander a look that feels more mature and upscale without becoming overly aggressive. The front bumper design appears more structured, with refined air intakes that contribute to both aerodynamics and visual strength. Moving toward the rear, the Highlander continues its transformation with a design that feels modern, clean, and well-balanced. The taillights are slimmer and more horizontally oriented, visually widening the vehicle and giving a lower, more stable appearance. LED lighting elements deliver a high-tech look, especially at night, while preserving Toyota's signature styling cues. The tailgate itself appears sculpted yet minimalistic, with clean surfaces emphasizing precision and quality. Toyota lettering across the rear replaces more traditional badging, adding a contemporary and slightly more premium presentation. The rear bumper design looks cleaner and more integrated, while subtle chrome or gloss black accents, depending on trim, help differentiate the lineup. The overall rear styling communicates refinement rather than flashiness, a design approach that aligns perfectly with Highlander buyers. Step inside, and the cabin evolution becomes even more noticeable. Toyota is expected to significantly elevate interior quality, focusing on comfort, technology, and a more premium feel. Soft-touch materials, improved stitching, and refined textures are likely to appear throughout the dashboard and door panel. The layout emphasizes horizontal lines, creating a sense of openness and visual calm. At the center sits a large floating touchscreen infotainment system, likely ranging between 12 and 14 inches, depending on trim level. This system is expected to support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, voice commands, and over-the-air software updates. Faster processing speeds and improved graphics should make the interface smoother and more intuitive for daily use. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable vehicle information, allowing drivers to prioritize navigation, efficiency data, or safety alert. Ambient lighting may be introduced or expanded on higher trims, adding a subtle layer of nighttime sophistication. Storage solutions in center console design are expected to remain practical, catering to everyday family needs. Seating comfort continues to be one of the Highlander's strongest attributes. Expect supportive front seats, generous second-row legroom, and a third-row design for real usability rather than occasional convenience. Higher trims may include ventilated seats, premium leather upholstery, panoramic moonroof option, and upgraded audio system, pushing the Highlander closer to near-luxury territory. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to maintain its focus on efficiency, smoothness, and long-term dependability. Buyers will likely see updated turbocharged gasoline engine option alongside Toyota's proven hybrid power. The turbocharged setup is expected to deliver improved responsiveness and balanced fuel economy, while the hybrid variant continues to appeal to drivers prioritizing efficiency and lower operating costs. Acceleration should feel smooth and confident, ideal for city commuting, highway cruising, and family road trips. Suspension tuning is expected to strike a refined balance between ride comfort and body control. The Highlander remains designed for a comfort-oriented driving rather than sporty aggression, exactly what its target audience prefers. All-wheel drive will likely remain available across multiple trims, providing added confidence in rain, snow, and varying road conditions. Noise insulation improvements are also expected, contributing to a quieter, more relaxed cabin experience. Safety remains a cornerstone of the Highlander's. Toyota Safety Sense is expected to come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, collision mitigation braking, blind spot monitoring, and enhanced driver assistance calibration. These systems continue to support stress-free daily driving and long-distance confidence. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Toyota Highlander is expected to remain competitive within the mid-size SUV segment. Entry-level trims may start around $38,000 to $40,000, while mid-range trims could fall between $43,000 and $48,000. Fully loaded hybrid and premium variants may approach the $52,000 to $55,000 range, depending on equipment and drivetrain choices. Based on Toyota's typical release cycle, the 2026 Highlander is expected to debut in late 2025, with showroom availability beginning in early to mid-2026. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Highlander appears to represent a thoughtful evolution: stronger design, upgraded technology, enhanced comfort, and refined performance. It builds upon everything buyers already trust while moving confidently into a more modern era.